Good day, everyone. I am Crispin Mayasinan from BSCSM students. I am here to demonstrate the correct procedure in making the mango jam. Procedures and etc. are to be done with the rest of my group mates. So sit back, enjoy as you gain more knowledge in making this kind of jam. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jetro. I am here to tell you what you will need to make a perfect mango jam. You will need the following. You will need a mango, sugar, wooden ladle, a stainless wok, spoon, and then some bowls, plates, knife, and that's all that you need. When you have those things, you can now start cooking.
Clean and cut the mangoes, and then start scraping the pulp with a spoon, and then mash it.
Sexy R&B selection. When the beat go like that, boom boom. Girl, I wanna put you up in my room. I wanna put you up.
Next, if you're done scraping the mango pulp, it's time to measure the mango and the sugar.
The ratio of both are 1:1/2 is equals to 1 cup of mangoes and 1/2 cup of sugar.
So you wanna pay to take your clothes off. Everybody don't like it slow. Consider me one of them folks. Let's get.
Turn on the stove, then reheat the wok. That way, you must remember to use the stainless wok or casserole to prevent the discoloring of the chop.
Get to it. Kinda crunk and I'm on this scene. Like a Luke blast and that's my shit.
Don't forget to always stir the jam. Stir it slowly so that the jam won't spill. Stir it until it thickens.
Once I had a shot of that good Patron. Now I'm in my boxes and like Boy Jones.
You should now sterilize the jar that you will use. Now that the jam is cooked and the jar is sterilized, now you can put the jam in the jar. Before close the jar, wipe the mouth of the jar. And then close tight.
Let it cool, and now you can enjoy the delicious homemade jam. Thank you.
So that's all the time that we have. This is Jetro.
This is Sergi.
This is Michelle.
This is Gisa. This is Spring.
This is Brian.
And this is Tintin.
And
We are the Group 3 signing off.
Bye!
Let's do it. Let's do it. That's the way I like it. That's the way you like it. That's the way we like it. Making love to the girls. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Till we just can't take it no more. Girl, your ass like make it clap back till you give me applause. Sounding like when I get in them doors. Set your hair in tangles. I'm rapping on your ankles. I'm gripping on your handles. I'm hitting on different angles. Like 10, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. 10, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. 10, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Let me see you pop it, pop it. That's the way I like it. That's the way you like it. That's the way we like it. Making love to booty music. Yo, A-Reds, it's your birthday. Yo, Libra, it's your birthday. Yo, Scorpio, it's your birthday. Making love to booty music. Don't stop, get it, pop that Gucci, let me hit it.
Hi, I am Jethro, and I am here to tell
Turn on the stove, then preheat the wok. But wait, you must remember to use the stainless wok or casserole to prevent the
It's your birthday.
preheat.
It's your birthday. Making love to booty music.
Turn on the stove, then preheat the wok. Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod?
Hindi mo inilig ang
That's the way I like it. That's the oh, baby, that's the way I like it. That's the way you like it. That's the way we like it. Making love to booty music. Yo, Cancer, it's your birthday. Yo, Capricorn, it's your birthday. Yo, Aquarius, it's your birthday. Making love to booty music. That's the way I like it. That's the way you like it. That's the way we like it. Making love to booty music. Yo, Taurus, it's your birthday. Yo, Gemini, it's your birthday. Yo, Sag, it's your birthday. Making love to booty music.
Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod?